Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify Search Console verification without plugins, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Shopify Search Console verification without using any plugins, start by logging into your shop. Next, click on the online store option in the left-hand menu. Then, select Preferences from the drop-down list. Look for the Search Engine Listing Preview section on the Preferences page. You will find an option for adding meta tags for verification. Open another tab in your web browser and log into your Google Search Console account. If you haven't added your site yet, click on the Add Property button and enter your Shopify store URL. Choose the verification method HTML tag from the options provided. Copy the meta tag provided by Google, ensuring you get the entire code snippet. Now, return to your Shopify admin panel and scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section again. In this section, look for the Search Engine Listing Preview field and click on Edit Website SEO. Insert the copied meta tag into the Additional Content field. Make sure to paste the code directly without any extra spaces or modifications. Once you've added the meta tag, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. Now, go back to the Google Search Console tab. Click the Verify button to check if the meta tag has successfully validated your ownership. If successful, you should see a confirmation message stating your site is verified. That's it. You have completed the authentication process for Shopify Search Console verification without using any plugins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.